play ball. We'll sit in it. Come on, Bella, let's play ball. Come on. I'm not your friend. I mean, I'm not your friend. Here you go. Here's the ball. Here's the ball. If you want it, no, okay. You won't let me listen to the music. I know, because you're not allowed to play that game like that, Bella. Oh, just listen to music. No, Bella. Oh, you just told me to get off the tablet for you can use it. I mean, not to watch videos. I didn't say you had to get off. I said if you can, because I don't want to do that to you. Okay, so you're the one that did it, so Bella, stop playing everything on me. Spend some time in the house alone with Lizzie. Get away from me, Mom.
What happened? You're not going out there. Bella, it's time for Bella to leave. It's already